Hey everybody, good afternoon. We're going to take a look at a few things in this update. It's nearly 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. First of all, we're going to take a look at our latest 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. And we're not going to look at that because that's the same as yesterday's. That has not updated its run. So let's see what else. Let's take a look at our NSUP models for the next 2 weeks and check that out. We can take a look at our GFS model over the next 2 weeks of our weather. And we're going to take a look at that. Going to loop the next 2 weeks. So I'm going to control the loop so I can kind of inform you guys on what's happening. So again, we have that hurricane, which was Rafael, which is now fizzling out in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's really just going to fizzle out, period. It's not going to do anything else. The energy is just going to fade back into the atmosphere, and it's going to be non-organized anymore. And then we have a cold shot, November 16th, and we have another warm shot on November 18th. Then this is really significant here. By November 22nd, again, when we have the negative NAO already starting, we have a very cold outbreak. In fact, it's so cold that I'm going to take a look at our GFS 10-day snowfall output because actually I want to look at our 15-day snowfall output. I mean, this is so cold that it looks like it can definitely produce some lake effect snow with it. And hefty amounts of that. So let's take a look. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at 384 hour. We're gonna take a look. Yeah, this is I mean, to me it looks like a big lake effect outbreak. Anywhere from 6 to 12 inches in the western UP of Michigan. And then we have a lake effect band spreading from northeastern Indiana. Then we have our snow belts in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York kicking in from Lake Erie. That will bring anywhere from 6 to 12 inches just by the looks on this model. Yeah, I mean that's a lot of snow. This could be our first lake effect outbreak of the season. Vancouver, right on the edge of where the mountains are in Canada, just picking up a ton of snow. Let's take a look at what our National Hurricane Center has to say about this hurricane, Rafael. And so again, swells generated by Rafael are likely to cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions across the Gulf Coast next few days. Okay, so nothing major, but a few swells, rip currents there too. Rafael is forecast to move slowly over the central Gulf of Mexico this weekend and early next week. Interests are in the southern and southwestern Gulf of Mexico should monitor the progress of the system. So, yeah, they say that you should still watch it, but it does look like it's kind of fizzling out. But sure, still watch it because things can reorganize. So that's a definite. Last but not least, we're going to close with reviewing our Jamstack weather model, and we're going to take a look at that. And we're actually going to take a look at March through May to see what happens after winter, because that can kind of give an indication of what is happening during winter. So again, very hot spring on tap for us if this were to come to fruition. And it looks like the La Nina does fade away in a little bit by spring. And let's see our precip. Our precip is pretty dry spring on tap, so not a lot of severe weather, I would conclude. But I just wanted to do a quick little update, guys. Thanks for watching so much. Have a great day, and make sure you like and share, subscribe to my channel for more long range weather content. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.